In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay can't add card. First, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version since outdated software can prevent cards from being added. Next, check that your device is connected to a stable internet connection and that you are signed in to the correct Apple ID with iCloud enabled for wallet. Then, carefully re-enter your card details or scan the card again, making sure the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address match exactly what your bank has on file. If the card still won't add, try restarting your device and then add the card again through the wallet app or directly through bank's mobile app if they support Apple Pay setup. You should also check with your bank or card issuer to confirm that the card is active, supported for Apple Pay, and not temporarily blocked for security reasons. If needed, they can manually approve or enable the card for Apple Pay. So that's it.